This is how to vacuum. This vacuum. It has a wind tunnel. It's called an embedded. It has an embedded dirt finder. And it's called patented wind tunnel. Hoover. Alright? Now this one, there's lights for saying clean or dirty. So whenever you vacuum, it goes red if it's dirty and green if it's clean. Now what you need to do first is make sure everything is cleared off the floor that would be in your way of your vacuuming spots. Uncoil the cord. Wait a second. Okay, there's the cord. Get the plug and go plug it in where it can reach every spot in the room or wherever you're vacuuming. Okay, get the cord out of the way so that it's not in, so that you don't have it wherever you vacuum. Yep. Make sure to keep one part of the cord in your hand so you can move it around. And step down the pedal, make it go down. And pull the on switch to turn it on. Alright? Now I'm gonna put the camera over there where you can maybe see me. And I'll start vacuuming. Alright, so here we go. Take this. There. Okay, so there we go. Here we go. So got stuck because it's window, but look at my floor. It is completely clean now. So there you go. That's all you gotta do to vacuum your room. Oh, and don't forget to unplug it and recoil it back up on your vacuum. Alright, so there you go.